Hello, this is Peter Christopher Raymond, and this is a poem called Daisy Dancing in the Rain Before She Is to Die. And this is how it goes. A starless sky and chemical clouds darken the dreams in a dull, dreary shroud. The fearless fools, face down in their blood, found neither favor nor friends in the mud. A constant rain fails to refresh. You huddle indoors lest it touch your flesh. Grass seldom grows, and a rose never blooms, and I cling to my life though I'm already doomed. Had not smelled the odor till I was overcome. Did not try to run until my legs were weak and numb. And no one heard my cries as my lungs were compromised, to the point I could scarcely speak with my eyes.